Government Arts College, Coimbatore. The organizing secretaries, Dr. Janamba Ilangu, Dr. J. Jayasudha, organizing committee members of this workshop, faculty members, research scholars, and students from various institutions, a warm very welcome to all of you. Today, we all have gathered here to learn the fundamental concepts of algebraic topology. 4 years of my dream is coming true this day. The vision to spread the learning in the field of algebraic topology sprouted when I got the opportunity to attend an international conference at China during 2019. Thereupon, I acquainted that the sound knowledge on fundamentals of algebraic topology has lot of influence on various fields like medicine, social science, and agriculture, etc. So, we introduced a paper on algebraic topology in postgraduate curriculum to enhance research knowledge in this field. One fine day, when I was discussing with this Dr. P. Sundaram sir, he was surprised to know this and encouraged the idea by forming part for this workshop. Sir suggested to bring awareness on this in our place and also to the neighbor colleges by inviting the expert Dr. P. Sangaran sir. Our chief guest Dr. P. Sangaran sir is one of the renowned mathematicians in the field of algebraic topology. He is expertise in geometric topology, algebra, topology, and algebraic topology. He is the fellow national.
Myself, Dr. Vidya Menon, Assistant Professor at CMS College of Science and Commerce, Coimbatore. The 2-day workshop on algebraic topology, headed by Dr. P. Shankaran sir, the esteemed resource person, was truly informative and fruitful. As he defined the topic, algebraic topology is a study of any topological spaces to the category algebraic groups. So you explained the concept in detail along with various geometrical illustrations. All the sessions have greatly explained my understanding. Thank you, sir, for sharing your knowledge, your valuable time with us. I also extend my sincere thanks to my guide, Dr. Nyanamba Ilungu ma'am, her team members, and Department of Mathematics, NGM College, Pollachi, for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Thank you all.
To one and all present here. First of all, myself Renuka Devi, Assistant Professor from the Department of Mathematics, PSJ Krishnaman College for Women, Coimbatore. First of all, enormous and most sincere thanks for these 2 days workshop. It was everything I was hoping for and more. Dr. Sankaran sir, he is a great professor, and really we are very grateful for his wealth of knowledge and insights you have shared these 2 days, sir. He explained the bottom-up approach for making a visualization of the algebraic topology, and I am very much impressed by his way of explaining the concepts with the usage of single pen and a board without any supporting learning aids for all these 6 sessions. It shows us the deeper knowledge and experience in the field of algebraic topology. And I learned a lot, and as a budding scholar in algebraic topology, I am excited that this would act as a base for my research work. I am especially thankful for the organizing committee of NGM College and Government Arts College for conducting such an amazing workshop with a great resource person like Sankaran. Thank you.
It has come down to when t equals 1, that is x1. x1 is a map from R2 minus origin to here S1. Okay, so you say that x is a homotopy between h0 and h1. I can write formal definition in a general context, but all those things are not required, not suitable for a lecture of this nature. So this is a notion. So you must imagine it's like running a movie in time 1 unit. When you start, you are at identity. When you finish, it is at some other map. Okay? So this is a notion of homotopy. Here is a specific type of homotopy. Namely, it goes from identity map to this, then you call it deformation. Okay? So S1 is a deformation of R2 minus origin. So in general, you have, so if this happens, you just say that right a minute. So from x to y, so you say two maps f and g are homotopic. So you have two continuous maps. You say that f is homotopically same as g if there exists an edge from x cross I to y such that x0 is f and x1 is equal to y. G. Yeah. So this is a notion of homotopic. You have two continuous map. One is f, other is g, and just h is a homotopy if it starts at x, f, and finishes at g. You must imagine that the sort of there's a some kind of a movie or some motion taking place. It starts at f and then gradually map keeps changing and you finish with g. This is the notion. And in algebraic topology, what is important? I was talking about functors. No, you not only require in algebraic topology, we want to consider functors such that f, remember what I said, f had domain topological spaces, and here let us say groups. You want functors such that I have not written the condition f of f is equal to f of g. Where to where? From fx to fy. Okay? Whenever f is homotopic to g. Whenever f is homotopic to g, you don't want to change the homomorphism you are associating to it. Okay. Now I made these things maybe sound a little too abstract, but why do you put this assumption? What is the thing is, in nature, imagine, you want to study some object, but in nature, things over time they get a little bit deformed. Or when you make measurements, you can only make approximate measurements, and that is measured by. So you want.
Good evening to the gathering. Myself, Ms. Atika Devi from Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. Thank you for listening my few words. Algebraic topology is entirely a new topic for me. The idea of using the abstract algebra tools to learn the topological space is an entirely new insight in the field of topology and algebra, and as a beginner, the knowledge that I gained would be really helpful for me to continue my further study. The today's workshop, the lecture, it was really, the concept was flowing from the professor, and without any guidance, he was continuously teaching. That is really tough for any teacher. It is happening due to his experience, I think so. So it was a nice lecture from a perfect teacher. Thank you, sir, for generously sharing your time and expertise. Thank you. I thank the management and faculty teachers and from both the colleges, NGM and Government Arts, for taking an immense effort to arrange this workshop.